Hello, everybody. Do you know that 95% of organizations out there today are currently transitioning into the agile ways of working? Out of this 95%, 85% of organizations are looking to do it right. Only one role have been designed to help these organizations get it right. And that is no other than the role of a Scrum Master or an Agile practitioner. For those who don't know me, my name is Fomafung, your Agile Evangelist. I am just here to bring you this good news that our next Scrum Master certified training is coming up on the 6th of September, and slots are filling up really fast. So if you have just been contemplating and not being actionable, now is your chance. We have 4 months for this year to come to an end already. So you still have a chance to make your life flourish, to give your life a new meaning. And there is no other organization to help you achieve that other than being Agile Consulting. Please reach out to us directly. Click on the link below and go to our website, and you'll see all the programs that we offer. Enroll, and we'll be more than happy to be part of your success story. We look forward to meeting you in our September training session, and have an amazing rest of your day. Thank you. Bye.